أنيس عاشت فرحانة بمدينة حب مزدانة، دنياهم تشبه بستانا ينثر بالقلب الأزهار. شمس مع نور وضياء يأتون بقلب وضاء، والعم سيحكي بمساء قصصا تهدينا أنوارا. بالصبر نحقق أحلام، بالرفق نزين أيام، بالليل نجهز أقلام كي نرسم شمسا ونهارا. لو كنت صغيرا لا تخجل، لو لم تعلم شيئا فاسأل، وجمال الروح والأجمل بالحب نسابق أطيارا. نحكي قصتنا فاسمعنا، ولتبحر معنا في المعنى، دفء الفانوس سيجمعنا ليقص علينا الأسرار، ليقص علينا الأسرار.
How are you, my little lanterns?
Alhamdulillah, Uncle Misbah.
Where is Noor? Why didn't he come with you?
I think he's grounded. I heard his mom shouting this morning.
No, I think he has gone to visit his aunt. She has just come back from holiday.
Well, I think he's grounded because he made his mom angry.
I think you are wrong. His aunt must have a present for him, and so he has gone to get it.
I don't think so. How can he get a present if his mom is angry with him?
Well, I think so.
How can you assume that he's gone to his aunt when his mom...
Enough. You have been thinking about this too much. Perhaps you're both wrong. Listen to my story first. Then we'll think about where Noor is. Once upon a time, in the beautiful Lantern City, was an old mayor. He was a good lantern, loved by everyone.
Good morning, forgetful mayor.
Good morning. Who are you and what are you doing?
I'm responsible for the decoration, sir. Your assistant asked me to decorate here.
Assistant? I have an assistant.
Me, Mr. Mayor. Did you forget?
Oh, yes, of course. I forgot. No, I remember. We have to decorate the square because
Because it's nearly Ramadan, and we will begin the celebration in a few days.
Yes, of course. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right then. Hurry up and don't forget.
Forget what?
Forget.
To decorate the square and the golden crescent.
Yes, exactly.
What happened? We were robbed. The golden crescent was stolen.
What? The golden crescent is stolen. My assistant. Where is my assistant? The police. Call the police.
The mayor contacted the police, and the best investigator in the city came. The brilliant Inspector Dhannoon.
I am Inspector Dhannoon. I have come here to find the criminal. Where did the crime happen?
Crime! A crime happened, and nobody told me.
The golden crescent's stolen.
Oh, yes, the golden crescent is stolen. Please, you have to help us find it. We are about to celebrate something important, very important. I just forgot what it is.
How can he forget the Ramadan celebration?
Yes, exactly, the Ramadan celebration.
Don't worry. I will unravel everything in minutes. There are traces of 3 lanterns' footsteps. Therefore, it's a gang of 3.
A gang of 3?
All the lanterns will have to go through footprint detection.
And so, Inspector Dhannoon started looking for the footprint owners.
Huh?
And suddenly,
Huh? The first thief!
I'm not a thief! I'm innocent!
Why did you go near the Golden Crescent? Admit it, you went to steal it.
Yes, that's right. You are the thief.
No, never! I just went to decorate the square in preparation for the celebration. That's what you told me to do, Mayor.
Is that correct?
Yes, but I forgot.
The second thief! No, I beg you. I'm not the thief. I secretly went to photograph the crescent.
Secretly? I think you are the thief.
I went in secret because you forbid everyone from taking photos. I made a mistake, but I am not a thief. And why do you forbid photographs?
I don't remember.
You were afraid the camera flash would ruin the gold paint. Right, so you asked the decorator to come to the Golden Crescent so I would suspect him. Then you forbade photography so nobody would see the thief. I think I know who the thief is.
Yes, I think I do too.
You are the thief, Mr. Mayor.
Yes, of course. What? No, I am innocent. That's an assumption with no proof.
I don't need proof. I have a feeling you are the thief.
But how can you judge me with no evidence? Ask my assistant. He knows all my movements. Where is my assistant? Why is he still not here?
Indeed, there is one other footprint. Who does it belong to?
To my assistant. That's correct. I think he is the thief.
Search for the mayor's assistant. Most likely, he is the thief. Finally, we have caught the thief red-handed.
Thief?
Of course, you stole the Golden Crescent.
You think I am a thief, Mr. Mayor?
I think so, even though I don't remember who you are.
I am your assistant. You asked me to take the Golden Crescent to the City of Lights and repaint it with gold to prepare for the celebration.
Is that right?
I think so.
You think?
Actually, I am sure of that.
All of my assumptions were wrong. Release him. There is no crime here.
it's important never to judge people too quickly. In the name of Allah, O you who believe, avoid making too many assumptions. Some assumptions are sinful. God has spoken the truth.
Sorry for being late.
Where were you, Noor?
I went to buy some decorations and toys to celebrate the month of Ramadan.
So your mom is not angry with you?
And you didn't spend all day at your aunt's house?
My mom is angry? At my aunt's house? Of course not. What's going on, Uncle Misbah?
Don't worry, Noor. I will tell you the story from the beginning.
You will repeat the whole story again, Uncle Misbah?
We will tell you the story another time, Noor.
No, I will tell him the story now. Once upon a time, in the beautiful Lantern City, was an old mayor. He was a good lantern, loved by everyone.